Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the exciting new LEGO set Batman Tumbler versus Two-Face and the Joker. Released on January 1st, 2025. The set number is 76,303. It is from the DC Batman series. The LEGO set contains a total of 429 pieces, which includes 3 minifigures, Batman, Two-Face, and the Joker. This set also contains the bat signal. In the United States, this set is available for approximately $59. And if you are in Japan, you can expect to pay around 9,000 yen for this fantastic set. Now, let's get started with the assembly and see how this remarkable set comes together. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comments section what should we build next. Have a nice day.